Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to uninstall your McAfee antivirus or security scanner in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, you can either uninstall by using the control panel or directly going into the apps and programs. So if you want to go with the control panel way, just search for control panel and open it. And here we will be having programs. Select programs and features, and if you just scroll down, we'll be having McAfee. And in case if you have multiple apps, you need to basically uninstall everything by right clicking and selecting uninstall. If you don't want this way, simply go to search and search for apps. You'll be having apps and features. Open it, and here you need to just search for McAfee, and if you get multiple apps, same thing, click it and select uninstall. Click uninstall here, and if you get any pop-up something, just click on uninstall. So this will take some time, just be patient. So once it is removed, just click on close, and do the same for all the McAfee apps that you have. And once you're done, you won't be having it in the apps and features. And even if you go to control panel and just refresh, we won't be having any apps related to McAfee. So another way that you can use to uninstall McAfee is by using the McAfee uninstaller that they are having. So just Google this and we'll be getting the McAfee.com support. Click it, and here we will be having some guidance how to uninstall McAfee. So here it says, right, uninstall your McAfee product from a Windows PC. So you can just read it through the terms and conditions, and here they're having the step for Windows 10 or 11. Yep, the exact same thing that we did via settings or control panel. I showed you both the ways, and if you scroll down, we are having another option, unable to remove the app. Follow the instructions below using the MCPR tool, which is the McAfee Consumer Product Removal tool. So here they have given all the steps. We can follow this also. So first thing, we need to download the tool. So just click over here, and the tool will be getting downloaded. Just click on save. So it's very small in size, just 12 MB. Open it. So we'll be getting this McAfee software removal, and we can just follow the exact instructions that they have given. So they have asked us to select next. So we click that and click on agree to the end user agreement. We are having that. Select next, and we are getting the security validation. We need to enter this particular code over here. So just type this out. Select next. So this will now remove the McAfee products. So just be patient for a while. So after some time, we will be getting removal complete. Please reboot now to complete the removal of McAfee products. So just click on restart. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.